last one. Push it in there. Those were just my mint chocolate chip ice cream sandwiches. Now I'm gonna grab my 8 ounces of Cool Whip, and we're gonna put that whole entire container of Cool Whip right on top of those delicious mint chip ice cream sandwiches. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love mint during the winter time, and I love ice cream year round, so this is gonna be so yummy. All right, let's just make sure we get that Cool Whip from edge to edge. This is a 9x13 Pyrex dish, so you just need one of those. You don't need to grease it or anything because it's gonna be a super easy, no bake dessert. That looks beautiful. Next thing I'm gonna grab is my Hershey's Sundae syrup, chocolate syrup, you guys.
I've never seen that one before.
Oh yeah, it's so good. And we're gonna just drizzle it right on top of our Cool Whip. This is a festive take on a classic no-bake dessert. I'm sure many of you guys have made a version of this, eaten a version of this, but the mint chip really changes everything. Woo, okay. For a little bit of crunch, I have some milk chocolate M&Ms that we're just gonna sprinkle in there. You can also do some Oreos, some chocolate chip Chips Ahoy, anything you like, some Kisses, peppermint bark. You could throw that in there, but I'm sticking with the classics.
Looks so good.
All right, we're going in with another layer of those mint chocolate chip ice cream sandwiches. So we are using 2 packages of those. You can use whatever ice cream sandwich you like. I just think mint is so festive for Christmas, so that's why I prefer to use these ones around this time of the year. All right, let's break off this one. We need a bigger piece this time and place that right there. Beautiful. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna grab another 8-ounce container. Obviously you could do the big container, but they were all out at the store. Thanksgiving has sold them out. So we're just doing the 2 8 ounces, which equals 16. And we're adding this layer right on top, our final layer of Cool Whip. And then this is almost ready. Oh, all right, let's spread it out. All right, that looks perfect. Let's go ahead and give our Cool Whip a taste.
Is it
I
good?
love Cool Whip.
It's homemade,
So good.
right? Did you make it homemade?
All right, I'm gonna use the rest of my M&Ms on top to make this look pretty. You could also do sprinkles. And then I have one more thing, one of my favorite things for an extra festive magic.
What's that?
Well, you'll see. I told you it's one of my favorite things. Can you guess?
Cheesecake.
I wish. No, it's gonna be some peeps.
Ooh.
And we have these little snowmen, which I think are gonna look so cute on top of our dessert because it's gonna look like they're in the snow. Isn't that adorable?
Oh, they look so cute. Look at their little candy canes.
Yeah. Okay, I think we're just gonna need 4 of these, so the rest are for me to eat. All right, you guys, this is ready. We just gotta put this in the freezer for about 2 hours, and then it's gonna be ready to eat. Oh my. Our winter wonderland is ready to dive into.
Oh, wow, that looks good.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be incredible. Oh, okay, this is stacked.
Oh, look at those layers.
Oh yeah. Let's give it a try. I only left mine in the fridge for like 45 minutes. Probably should have been in there for longer, but couldn't wait any longer. Oh my goodness.
Is it good?
It's better than good. It's amazing.